Say plantain. Plantain, good boy. Oh, Chimo. Huh? 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 Eh? I should stop. What do you want me to stop? It's plantain. Say plantain. Leave it now. Hey, hey. Are you guys see this one with back thing? Don't put your mouth there. Kitchen assistant. Sit down. Stand. Stand. You prefer sitting. Better for you before you fall. Don't fall, okay? Don't fall alive. Now put your hand here so you don't fall. Remember, I said don't fall, right? Yes. No, you can't do that. You will. No, 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 no. I don't want you touching the beans. Leave the beans alone. Alive, leave the beans. Leave the beans. See. Don't put it in your mouth. Oh. Are you hearing me? Yes. No, no, no. Don't spill the beans for me, oh, please. Don't go and spill it. Mommy's helper. Huh? Mommy's big helper. Alive the helper. Alive? Huh? Are you helping mommy? Yeah. How are you helping? Don't spill this for me, oh. Oh my God. You see, you are spilling it. Alive. Huh? What should we do to you now? Oh my, Alive. It's time to keep the beans. I'm keeping it. Time to keep the beans. Mommy wants to keep it. Oh yeah, put it back. Put it. Put it. Oh, actually, Robanza, put it. Thank you very much. Now let's keep it aside, okay? Keep it there. Mommy wants to make food to eat first. I'm going to sharing. Oh yeah, come. Come first. Let me wash your hands, okay? Flip, 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 flip. Yeah, see your cute face. Boo boo. After that, can continue playing with it. Want oats? Brought oats. Yay. Oh yeah, keep it. Keep it on the island. Keep it there. Close it. Close the cupboard. Close. It's not closing. Close it. Yeah. You're making your hand dirty. I'm gonna leave it. Leave it. Put it back. Ew, don't eat. Hey, God. Wait, mommy bring tissue for you, okay? Alive, in the yam so go. Clean your hand. Clean it. Clean. You don't want it. You want the slimy feeling. Where? Mommy. Calm down. You want to calm down? Well, wait. Hold on. Let me put the plantain. Let me finish putting plantain. You can calm down now. See? You came down yourself. Alive? Some aunties said I should start paying you. And I'm asking them, why should I pay you? I should say that. Why should I pay you? Let's ask them together. Why should I pay you? Tell them. Why should I pay you? I should say it. Why should I pay you? Why should I pay you? They said I should pay you. I don't know why. Boo boo. Let's ask them. Why should I pay you? I say it. Why should I pay you? I say it. I say it. Be back. Keep it. Thank you. Keep it now. Yeah. Keep it. Thank you. Let mommy sit. Sit. Now you want me to carry you? No. No. I don't know why some people don't like oats, guys. Like, this is good food. My oat is ready. I'm turning the heat off. And my plantain is also ready. So I'm gonna get rid of the heat. Hot. Yes, boo boo. Oats. Yes, oats. You eat, right? Eh? Would you like to eat? Eh? Alive? Huh? Would you like to eat oats? Oats. Oats. Yes, boo. Oats. I'm making it now. Oats. I'm making it. I'm making the oats. Oats is ready. Mommy will put it in the bowl, okay? Wow. My own. Hmm? My own. Your own. My own. My own. What is your own? Huh? What is your own? Oh. This oat is for alive and now. It's more than half of it. Don't come here to touch this thing. Don't do it. Okay? Did you hear me? Yes. Don't do it. It's dangerous. Hold on. Wait, wait, wait. Calm down. Don't put your hand though. Your hand is dirty. Hold on. Okay, wait. Don't touch it. Huh? Wait. I'll wash your leg. Wait now. Be calming down. Eh? Alive? Alive? What are you doing? It's hot, see? Okay? Hmm? Let me bring it to that place. I'm taking it to the dining. Wait, okay? Yes. Wait, because I have to carry you and put you in your chair. Let's go now. Let's go. Let's go and eat.